SX Wi-Fi Security Suite is an efficient and reliable collection of utilities designed to address a variety of Wi-Fi password issues, using simple tools. The suite is fairly easy to understand and work with. SX Wi-Fi Security Suite contains 7 different tools developed for several Wi-Fi related concerns. As such, you can work with Wi-Fi Hotspot Scanner, Wi-Fi Network Monitor, Wi-Fi Password Decryptor, Wi-Fi Password Dump, Wi-Fi Password Key Generator, Wi-Fi Password Remover, Wi-Fi Security Guard. Wi-Fi Password Decryptor's main function is to help you recover your forgotten or misplaced wireless password, enabling you to regain access to your connection with just one click. Wi-Fi Password Dump is a command line utility developed in order to scan the wireless configuration manager and retrieve the detected devices, along with some of their security details, for instance the password type. With Wi-Fi Password Key Generator, you can create strong access keys for your wireless modem or router using WEP, WPA, or WPA2 security settings. The password can contain random combinations of characters, including numbers, symbols, upper and lowercase letters. Wi-Fi Password Remover can help you discover your wireless password and remove it from your system. In conclusion, SX Wi-Fi Security Suite is a comprehensive package of tools designed to help you manage and solve numerous wireless problems, in just a few moves, most often requiring almost no effort on your part other than the push of a button. See you next video, and now some music.